Hi, my name is Jamie Schmonser, and today I'd like to show you the Campcraft Outdoors tool roll. Stay tuned. So the way this tool roll works is you just untie it, lay it out, unroll it. This opens up and you can see we've got some tools in here. This slot I'm leaving open, so if there's something I need to add on any particular day, there's room. I've got a pair of pliers. I've got a draw knife from Reptile Toolworks, sheath from Messer Custom Leather. I've got a file. I've got this guy from Bushcraft Kelso that works really well with these. If you're interested in getting one of these Campcraft Outdoors tool rolls, I will have a link below where you can get one, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy mine.